Hello there, viewer. If you are feeling down today, and I can understand that, not many people do, please don't cry or be depressed. That stuff makes you sad. Instead, you should be positive about your life. Value what you do have. I promise life isn't going to go downhill from there. Try drinking some water, but not too much to the point of drowning. If it's your parents that aren't having a great time, go give them a hug. Tell them they matter. Don't commit arson or anything crime related, because more people would see you're an amazing person and would support you more in tough times. If ChatGPT isn't making a picture of breadsticks and pizza like you want it to, uninstall it and reinstall it. And also, please don't stand in fire or anything with a lethal amount of heat. Your body is partly made of water, but not enough to the point of saving you from fire, for whatever reason. Whilst I am a cat, I hold dear to much important information. I'm not the most perfect living thing in the world, but neither is anybody. Neither is any human in this world. And like I said earlier, value what you do have and enjoy your life. Make it as perfect as you can. If you are watching this whilst trapped in the wilderness, what are you doing watching this video? Don't you remember 911 exists? Well, that's all the information I have. I hope you enjoyed me sharing my important life lessons to you. Subscribe.